This part we'll be talking about the OpenBridge template. Well, first up, this is our M200 system. It has a lot of variables which it communicates to our Advice SCADA server using OpenCUA. OpenBridge is a template specifically made for the maritime industry. A good thing about the OpenBridge template is that you have pre-made components that you can import within your project. Us at Bachmann already did that, a part of that for you. So in this template we had a few objects in it, and also the brightness and the coloring of all the objects inside the project will change with a simple click of a button. Besides that, it also has some diagnostics to it. So first up, the M200 system. You have a full diagnosis on your HMI. You can click per card, per channel, and see what's wrong with it or if everything's okay. And the same goes for the M100 system.
So we are here at our demonstrator, and now the fun parts begin. So we can operate the demonstrator and simulate everything. And Mike will show us about the functionality.
Yeah. So when moving these controls, you can see in here that the set point is set and that the actual engine is moving up. Same goes for the rudder. You have a set point in there, and it slowly gets in the direction, and you can also see the rudder move on the big screen over there. Same goes for this one, but then on the top right there. Then, if we go on the top right of the screen, we can click on the small moon symbol, and we can change the brightness and the colors of all the objects in the screen with one simple click. As you can see now, we're in the day mode, and everything is set to the right brightness and coloring. Yeah, so next up we can show you the alarming. So first up on the top right we have a small alarm table that can be shown right there. It shows all the active alarms. If you're using our OpenCUA and our alarm and conditions, you will see all the alarms in here. If you click on the top left, you can also go to the alert page. And this has is a bigger alarm table with all the alarms. And as you can see upper range, lower range on which card and which channel it is on. That's it for the alarms. Next up, we can also check the diagnostics. So it can be found under the settings. And then we have M1 diagnosis. And then down there we can select which station. So in this case, station 1 is our M200 system. We can see the cards on here. So for example, if I click on the DIO 232, we can see the card here. We can see the card number, slot number, and all the information that belongs to this card. Yeah, and finally, besides all the channel information, if you need to have some information about the specific card or the channels that are on a card, you can click on the Open Datasheet button, and this opens the PDF of the actual card. So as you can see here, we have the datasheet of our UIO 106 module, and you can find information that you might need directly in your HMI.